with husk. 1 cup. Washed and soaked for 2 hours. Moong dal 1½ cup. And masoor dal 1 cup. Washed and soaked for half an hour. In a pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil, 2 tablespoons of sliced onion. Add in oil. Cook until onion turns soft. Add 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. 1/4 tablespoon of cumin. Add 1/4 cup water. Salt to taste. 1 tablespoon of red pepper powder. 1/2 tablespoon of coriander powder. 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Homegrown fresh curry leaves. Use 5 to 6 leaves. Wash. Add in our dal tadka. Add split moong beans with husk. Then add moong masoor dal. Cook on high flame for 15 minutes.